Gambling psychology stems from dopamine, the hormone that creates euphoria during wins. But losses trigger chasing, where you continue to recover what's gone. Understanding this psychology empowers control before it's too late. Start by recognizing the signs of addiction. Gambling isn't just chance, it's a psychological battle. In 2025, technology makes addiction easier, but knowledge is your weapon. Now, dive deeper into the psychology of wins and losses. When you win, the brain releases dopamine, creating a high similar to drugs. But losses trigger gambler's fallacy, believing a win is due soon. This psychology draws players into endless cycles in 2025 online gambling. Understand the illusion of control to avoid major losses. Small wins create a false sense of control, leading to higher risks. This win-loss psychology is prevalent in online platforms. Next, identify addiction signs for timely action. First sign, preoccupation, thinking about gambling all day. Next, chasing losses, borrowing to keep playing. Irritability when not gambling, straining relationships. Losing control over time and money spent. Leading to depression and anxiety, common in 2025. Recognize early to apply stopping strategies. Now, learn effective ways to overcome addiction. Step 1. Self-assessment. Journal your gambling daily. Identify triggers like stress or FOMO. Step 2. Set limits. Use apps to block online gambling. Create financial barriers like freezing gambling accounts. Step 3. Seek support. Join Gamblers Anonymous. Share stories to reduce isolation. Step 4. Replace activities. Try gym or reading. Build healthy habits to replace gambling dopamine. Step 5. CBT therapy. Fix cognitive distortions. Apply now to stop addiction fast in 2025. Build a mindset. View gambling as entertainment, not income. Discipline. Set budgets and stick strictly. Avoid impulse baits with mindfulness practices. This mindset reduces major loss risks. Apply to achieve a better life in 2025. Subscribe for more on investing and crypto psychology.